Teachers are always looking for fun and easy ways to deliver content. Well, I am here to tell you about paperslide movies. Paperslide movies are not only fun, they increase student engagement and the retention of learning. So, how do you make a paperslide movie, you ask? All you really need is a recording device. I'm using my smartphone, some art supplies to make the slides, and an idea. If you want your students to make paperslide movies, the first thing you'll do is take an idea and have your students spend some time researching it. Next, they will need to plan what they want to say, who will say what, and write a script. During this time, they can begin to draw their slides. The slides can be as simple or as fancy as you'd like. When the students are ready to film their movie, they take their recording device to the recording area and film. As the students read their script, they slide their papers across the screen, hence the name paperslide. Now, here comes the best part. You don't have to drop the movie into a special program. You simply plug your recording device into your computer, drag and drop the file onto your computer, and watch. It's that easy. So the next time you're looking for an easy idea to get your students more involved and take ownership of their learning, remember these two words: paperslide. Thank you for watching.